Hi there and welcome back to Reviews by Roxy. My name is Roxy, as you know, and this channel is here to take you behind the scenes and give you honest and unbiased reviews of various different digital products that you may be interested in purchasing. Today is a really exciting one. I've got someone who is going to help me out. It is a product that is aimed at kids. It's a really cool looking digital product. I purchased it myself because I definitely saw the value in it. And I'm just going to take you behind the scenes, give you a bit of a deeper look as to what to expect if you decide to purchase, and just to let you know whether it's good value for money or not. And also, because it's aimed at kids, I thought who better than to introduce my own kids into the mix to also give to give her own review and thoughts on the product, which is aimed at children like herself. So I'm going to welcome my daughter on. Savannah, come. Do you want to come and say hello?
Hello.
Okay, so do you want to come and sit with me? All right. So, Sabby, are you ready to have a look at what this product is about? Yeah, hopefully you're going to really enjoy it and it's going to be really helpful for you. So this product is called SmartKids. And can you read this bit here?
Dive into highly profitable children's
Edutainment.
market with all new interactive educational kits, game quizzes, and animated kids flyers
with PLR. So, each interactive game and quiz can be played offline or easily embedded on any website. Videos are not tales, but engaging science videos that make learning fun for kids. So does that sound good so far, Sabby? Yeah. So it's animated games and quizzes and videos that are going to help you to learn different things. Yeah. And basically, this is something that we can use as product creators to then be able to sell on to our own audiences, to use personally. So I will probably be using it for my audience, but also Savannah will probably use it herself as well. And we have PLR access to it as well. Okay, so we can see you a bit better now, can't we? Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going through the sales page with you right now. So there's PLR rights on everything. So they're unique, crafted and edible kids games and quizzes. There's an extensive library of ready-to-use content. Each game and video is meticulously crafted. It's basically a business in a box. And it includes video sales letters, sales pages and download pages. So it really seems to be a business in a box, a whole bundle of different resources that we can use in various different ways. It was really, really competitively priced. I think I only paid $14 for it. And it was kind of a no-brainer, even if it doesn't quite do exactly what I need it to do. I think from what I saw on the sales page and from what I'm seeing with some of the behind the scenes, it is definitely going to be worth the investment. So it says start your own digital product business in the hottest niche with just 3 simple steps. So we've got access, so we gain access to it. We can rebrand it, which is all what we do within the PLR market. We get content to then rebrand it, repurpose it, make it our own, add our logo to it, add any, additional information, any additional value, and then put it back out there to profit. So, and I really like the way these look. Quite excited with the animations, the illustrations. They look very eye-catching and child-friendly. And what better person to let me know whether it is child-friendly than you, Sabby, isn't it? So let's see if we can click here to play the game. So this is the main page. Let me open this up a bit. This is one of the games that we're clicking to play. So I might give you the mouse now. Let's see if it does open up. This may be better seen when we go into the actual purchase.
Zoo Quest, animals matching game.
Okay, so do you want to click start, Sabby? So this is
match the animal to its habitat.
So what animal is that? And so where does a penguin live?
tall.
Yeah.
Correct. Please proceed to the next question.
Good job.
Match the animal to its habitat.
So what's this?
Whale.
Whale. Where does a whale live? Okay, so do you want to click which one? There we go.
Correct. Please proceed to the next question.
Okay, do you want to do another one?
Match the animal to its habitat.
So what we've got here? I know it kind of is a kangaroo, but it kind of looks a bit different, doesn't it? So where do you think the best habitat would be for a kangaroo? I think so, but it could. Yeah, I think you're right there.
Incorrect.
No, we both got that wrong. So go back. So it must be, yeah, it must be A, but they both kind of
Correct.
deserts.
Please proceed to the next question.
Okay.
Match the animal to its habitat.
Okay, so what we've got here? I've got a lion, and where's its habitat? I think so too. Hopefully went no. Did you click it? Oh, it's not. Oh, my computer has decided it's not going to load.
Incorrect. Let's try again.
So let's go back. So click that arrow. So where would it be then? If it's not A, it must be D. I didn't.
Please proceed to the next question.
All right. So I know that one was a bit hard, wasn't it? It was a bit. Those last two questions were a bit confusing. The habitat, they both look kind of the same, but as you can see, what did you think of that so far? Yeah, you enjoyed that, and I think that was just the zoo quest. There are lots of others here. So we've got nature explorers, we've got matching games, true or false. So there's loads here, isn't there? And so you're going to have a lot of fun with this because we are just about to start our summer holidays. So she's going to have something that she can do every day, which is great. You are getting so many different quizzes here, and it's just, I think these are gorgeous. Just the illustrations, really colourful, really engaging, really interesting. Do you want to choose one more? Should we go through one more? Yeah? Okay, so what do we think? We've got frozen fun, we've got fun with science, feeling hot, we've got understanding the flu, super smiles, healthy plate, happy tummy. You seen any of that? Feeling hot? Okay. So let's preview this one. Okay, so this is a video of a preview of it. So let's have a look. So this is just a preview letting us know what we'll see. So let's try and see if there's another one that we can actually play. So should we try the true or false? Yeah? Okay, so go on then. You click to play down here.
Dun, dun, dun.
Did it not? Okay. Here we go. Let me open that up. All right. So as you can see, these appear to be made in PowerPoint. And it's just, I can just imagine something like this has taken so long to put together. And it's just nice that it's already made for us. So you've already started, haven't you? Okay, so do you want to read that out?
The Great Wall of China has been seen from space.
Is that can be seen from space? Is that true or false? The Great Wall of China. Think it can be seen from space? Do you think it can be seen from all the way out in space? But the Great Wall of China is really big, and it's quite large, so maybe it could be seen from space. What do you think? It's 50-50, yes or no, true or false. What do you think?
True.
Okay, so go for true. Incorrect. Please try again. So it's false. You know, that's a funny one. I've learned something. I thought it was true, but yeah, we learn something new every day. So go to the next question. So, okay, it's false. So it actually gives us an explanation, which is really great because that's now a learning opportunity for both of us, for Savannah and myself. So explanation, this statement is false. While the Great Wall of China is impressive, it is not visible from space with the naked eye. So that's great. I love that. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Do you want to take control of the mouse?
Seeds grow and seeds need
Seeds? Where does it say seeds?
not.
Do they need sunlight to grow? So is that true or false? Okay, so do you want to hit true? Yeah. All right. So yay, please go to the next question. Okay, we'll do one more. So, this is the explanation. Read the explanation then.
Sunlight is essential for
photosynthesis.
the process by which plants eat the food.
Lovely. All right, so let's do one more question.
Water boil at 100 degrees Celsius.
Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Is that true or false? When does water start to boil? Do you know how hot it needs to be? Have you learned that at school yet? Okay, well, I do believe, if my memory serves me correctly, that it is 100 degrees and it should be true. Correct. Yay. So what do you think of this? What do you think of these games, Sabi? They're fun. Do you think you'll be playing some of these over the summer holidays? Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, okay. So are we giving it a thumbs up, a middle, or a thumbs down? Thumbs up. Okay. Thank you so much, Savannah. Maybe we'll see you in another video soon. So I think, I will go on and show you a bit more about the product, but it's getting a thumbs up from the audience that it would be targeting, which are young children, our kids. It's a really great opportunity for them to learn, to engage, to have fun, to learn, to take on new pieces of information, take them in a really fun and engaging way. So it's definitely doing exactly what I thought it would do when I saw the sales page, which enticed me to make that purchase. So I've made the purchase and I'm just going to show you some of the behind the scenes now. So here I am. I'm going to click access your purchase now. I'm going to try not to show you too much because obviously I don't want to interfere with what they want to put behind that paywall, but I will show you what I can. So SmartKids download access. So we've got SmartKids license. SmartKids games and quizzes, click to download. So I'm going to download that now. So I am opening up that ZooQuest PowerPoint now. I'm just waiting for it to open up. So what I've done is I've gone into the back end, looked at all the downloads that we get. There's quite a few things in there. But the most important thing is that it's got a tutorial. It's got a selection of tutorial videos that will let you know exactly how you can use this product. And I'm just going to play just a little bit of one of the tutorials, which shows you how you can open up the PowerPoint, the various different PowerPoints, and change, the fonts, the pictures, and things like that. I'm just going to give you a little peek of what you're getting in those tutorials, just to show you how easy it is to then make those changes that you want to.
So in the very first video, we are talking about, we will be focusing on how you can edit the text and image, okay? Now, if you want to edit the text, it's pretty simple. Make sure that you have installed the font that we recommend to you to make sure that it looks good, okay? We are using only Google Font anyway, and it will be safe for commercial use, okay? Now, if you want to edit the text, you can simply block the text and then you can change text to any text that you want.
So that's really cool. How easy is that to just quickly change a text? It could be from change a text to a different type of question, and you could retitle it a different type of activity. But the fact of the matter is that the basis of this product is really colorful. It's really eye-catching, really high quality. And then you're just going to make a couple of changes to make it your own. You can keep it the same, but you can really play around with that. Let's continue with this video.
You can also change the color by simply block, go to home, and then you can change to any color that you want, okay? So like this. And if you want, and I almost forget that if you want to edit any of our template using PowerPoint, make sure that you make the selection pin area appears by simply clicking anywhere on your working area here, and then go to picture format, and then go to selection pin, and then make sure that this selection pin area appear on the right-hand side of your working area, because this is all the layers that you are working on, okay?
Okay, so it's just giving you some more important information there. It's just telling you where you need to click in order to, work with the different layers. I believe there's audio there that you can work with as well. So much choice and flexibility to be able to really make these products your own. There are a selection of other training videos as well included. I did see that. And one thing that I'm particularly impressed with, so on the access page as well, there are lots of different kind of science-based videos that we can also use. So I'm just going to click this one open, and it opens up in my favorite design platform of choice, Canva. I'm really excited about this. And basically what it is an educational video about day and night. Look at these gorgeous illustrations. So this is what it
When
looks
the part
like.
of Earth where you live faces the sun, it's daytime. The sun gives us light and warmth. But when Earth turns away from the sun, it's nighttime. That's when it gets dark outside, and we can see the stars shining in the sky. Day and night happen because of Earth's rotation.
So I don't know if you were able to see that playing on the main screen. I'm not sure. But basically this is what it is. It's a video. It's a set of different slides that you can download as a video. Really lovely quality. And there are so many here. This would look great on a child-focused, educational-focused, teacher, education, students, a kindergarten, Montessori. Like these videos will be great on a website that is aimed at that particular audience. And there are loads of them to choose from as well. And you can make those edits if necessary. So definitely, if you were to purchase this, you definitely go through the tutorial, make sure you've got all that to date. You will need PowerPoint access as well, and as well as a Canva account. So, but all in all, for what you're getting for $14, it is really, really a lot, and it's just really high quality. I'm really excited for Savannah to have a delve into some of these, and let me know additionally which ones are her favourite. As you could tell from her, she's very impressed. She's looking forward to it. She's already asked some questions as to when she can play it. But moving on quickly, let me show you what you get as upsell if that's something that you want to purchase. Okay, so with regards to the upsells, because I couldn't find like a document that gives us some some background on the upsells, I've just copied and pasted my own funnel, the funnel that I went through as I bought this product. I'm not going to show you the full sales page, but I'm just going to give you a gist. So basically, for the first upsell, you're going to triple your product value by accessing new kids games, science games. So it's just way more of the same, a lot more value, and you're just getting a lot more templates to be able to use. And I believe, how much is that? That is, the upsell is $29. And then there is another upsell, which is $47. Let's see if I can find that. So this is the second upsell page. Access the biggest, most complete collection of over 300 high-quality animated kids video stories and 200 plus editable book versions. So you get book versions of these stories. Amazing additional content. So much you're going to get. So much that you probably won't even know what to do with, but in a good way. Lots of high-quality stuff here that we can use in various different ways. And so that is $47 as that upsell as well. So I hope this has been a valuable video for you. Of course, I'm going to be offering a bonus for this. It's going to be a set of back-to-school printables. I'm going to show you how to make 3 high-quality and hot-selling back-to-school printables that you can then add into your bundle, add additional value to these products. And yes, so that is what that's going to be called. So yeah, that's what you will be getting. You'll be getting a masterclass of how to create 3 hot-selling back-to-school printables in Canva. So that's the end of this video. I hope you've got a lot of value. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. And until next time, all the very best.